Friends, good morning and welcome to this session. Today we will take one more example on standardized death rate. So read the example. Compute standardized death rate for district A and district B from following data and compare them. In the previous example, we have taken one of the two region A and B as a standard population. But this is the example in which standard population is given. So the information which is shown in your screen is age group, district A, number of persons are given, number of deaths are given. In district B, number of persons are known in thousand and number of deaths, and a standard population is given. So we need to calculate standardized death rate for district A and for district B. So for district A and district B, for the calculation of standardized death rate, what we need is the age specific mortality rate. So in this given example, I is known. So the first is PIA. See, these are the number of persons in thousands are given. So these are nothing but P is the population, I stands for this age group, and A stands for the district A. So in the same way, this is DIA, this is PIB, and this is DIB, and this is given as PIS. So we need to calculate age specific mortality rate. And to calculate age specific mortality rate, so that is MIA. So what is the formula for MIA, friends? So that is DIA divided by PIA into 1000. So how this value comes? 25. So 25 is 50 divided by 2000 into 1000. So 1000 get cancelled. So that is 50 divided by 2 is 25. So 49 divided by 7000 into 1000. So that means 49 divided by 7 is 7. And 25 divided by 1000 into 1000. So that is 25. So similarly, we can calculate MIB. So that is 20 divided by 1, 20. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So once we calculate MIA and MIB, so this standard population is known. So that is given in thousands. So that is 200,000, 580,000, and similarly it is 220,000. So to calculate standardized death rate for A, so what is the formula for STDRA? So that is same as MIA into PIS divided by summation PIS. So now calculate this value. So MIA is 25. This should be multiplied by PIS. So that is 200,000. So this 30 is written here, and 25 multiplied by 200 is 5,000. So this value comes to be 5 and then 6 zeros. So how this value comes? So that is same as MIA is 7 multiplied by 580,000. So that is 406,0000. So the next is this value, MIA is 25 multiplied by 220,000. So PIS is 220,000. So that comes to be 550 and next 40. So to calculate STDRA, so that is summation MIA PIS divided by summation PIS. So summation PIS is 100,0000. So to calculate STDRA, we simply, this value should be divided by this value. So that means 1456,0000 divided by this value. So that comes to be 14.56. And for STDRB, we need to calculate MIB multiplied by PIS. So this is 20 multiplied by 200,000 is this value. So this is 10 multiplied by 5, 80,000, this value. So 20 multiplied by 220,000. So this value, if we add this, so that comes to be 142,000,000. And this should be divided by 100,000,000. So STDRB is simply this value divided by this value. So that comes to be 14.20. So if you see these two values, STDRA is 14.56, STDRB is 14.20. Since STDRB is less than STDRA, so we can conclude that district B is more healthy than district A. So now we will take one more example in which we apply indirect method of standardization. So read this example. Find STDR by indirect method for the population A from following data. So we are given age group, we are given population A, so that is PIA is known. So standard population, that is PIS, so that is also known. And then A specific death rate for standard population is known. So that is MIS is also known. So to calculate STDR for population A by using indirect method, what we need, friends? So the formula for standardized death rate for A by indirect method is equal to C multiplied by CDR A. So C is a constant value, that is adjustment factor. So that is we need to take C into account because the value of MIA is unknown in indirect method. So the mortality, A specific mortality rate is unknown. So therefore we go for indirect method of standardization. But if you see this, we are given total deaths in population A, and that is 1483. So the total population is known. So first we calculate CDR, and to get this CDR, we simply need total death divided by total population of A. So if we add this, so that comes to be 50,000. So 12,000 plus 13,000 plus 15,000 plus 10,000 is 50,000. So total deaths are 1483. So 1483 divided by 50,000 multiplied by 1000. So 1000 get cancelled. So that will gives us the value 1483 divided by 50,000 into 1000. So 1483 divided by 50. So that is 2966. So one value in the formula STDRA equal to C into CDRA is we just calculated. So CDRA comes out to be 29.66. So now we go for calculating the value of C. So what is this C? C is simply the standardized death rate divided by CDR, and that is same as summation MIS PIS divided by summation PIS, and this value should be divided by CDR. So what is CDR? CDR is MIS into PIA divided by summation PIA. So this is same as what? So calculate this, the value of PIA multiplied by MIS and MIS multiplied by PIS. This value we need for calculating the value of C. So what we are given? We are given the value of I, PIA is known, PIS is known, MIS is known. So just multiply PIA by MIS and PIS by MIS and calculate these values. So I have calculated this value. So column number 3 is PIS, column number 4 is MIS. So multiply this value, MIS into PIS, we will get this. And if you take total, so that total comes out to be 1120000. And for this, so that is PIA is column number 2, MIS is column number 4, multiply column 2 by column 4, so that will give these values. And if you add this, so the total comes out to be 1545000. So to calculate the value of C, what we need to do is this value should be divided by this value. So yes, PIS is this value. This is divided by PIS, so that is 50,000. So 1120,000 divided by this value is what? 1120. And the next is divided by MIS PIA divided by summation PIA. So that value is, we need to, this value is nothing but what? 1545000 divided by 50000. So if you divide this quantity by this quantity, so that is simply what? 1120 divided by 1545. So 1545, so this 30 get cancelled with this 30. So 1545 divided by 50, again in this case this is divided by 50. So if you reverse this 50,000 get cancelled. So 1120 divided by 1545 is equal to 0.77249. So this is the value of C. So we know CDR A, we know C. So we can calculate the value of standardized death rate for A. So that is C multiplied by CDR A. So the value of C is 0.7249 multiplied by the value of CDR is 29.66. If you multiply this, that comes out to be 21.5005. So this is one way of getting standardized death rate by using indirect method of standardization. So friends, today we will stop here and continue with fertility rates in the next session. Till then, goodbye.